Hey my YouTube friends, welcome to another exciting episode. So today's episode is all about the eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows, they are looking so pretty, so good, so perfect. I don't go to the salon, I done it at home, so I'll share my experience with you. I buy two products online, so I'll share it with you and give the link in the description box. So you can also call them or contact them to buy these products. So let's start the video. So let's review the product. So first product is Heart of Love. So this is the pen. So it's got 18 karat gold plated tip, and this is the painless trimmer, and down there is a button that you can touch control, so you can on and off the pen. And this is the battery area, so you can remove from here and place the battery inside and use it, and you can carry it everywhere in your bag. And let's see the other product. This is the Flawless facial hair remover trimmer. So this, it also got the 18 karat gold plated tip, and it is also again painless tip, so you can easily remove your hairs. And it also got the touch control button, so you can on or off it. And there is also a battery area, so you can remove this area and place the battery inside. And also you can carry it everywhere, wherever you want to go, so you can take it with in your bag. So let's start the tutorial. You can see the teeny tiny hairs down my eyebrows here, so I'll remove it with the eyebrow pen. I'll gently rub this pen on my skin to remove the hairs. Very gently, it's so easy to use. Look, it's done. It's so easy and painless. I really like this pen. There is no pain and your eyebrow is done. I will also clean the upside of the eyebrows. It's so perfect. I'm so happy with the results. Look the difference, this one or this one. It's so perfect. It's a nice product. How smoothly it removes the hairs, and there is no pain. It's really good. Oh my god, it's really, what can I say? I have no words. Look, it's so easy to do it at home. You also try it at home and must comment. Look, it's so perfect. Look at my eyebrows, they are perfectly done. I love it. Now let's try the facial hair removal pen. So take a look. This is the pen tip and this is the button. You can on from here. Let's start it. So it's done. You can see the difference. You can see how perfect it is, how perfect my eyebrows, my facial hairs are removed, my face is looking so good. You can also do it at home. You can try it at home. If you like the video, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.